Hello everyone. Today I'll show you Flexa Design's amazing features for creating beautiful reports with interactive buttons, toggles, slicers, and background images. First, click the Flexa Design icon and drag in a data field. To create menu buttons that work as slicers, click Button Group. It instantly creates a menu. Try clicking it. Now click Settings to explore. In Select mode, choose between single or multiple selection. With multiple, you can click several buttons at once. Next, Layout type. Choose Vertical to arrange buttons vertically. You can also change font, family, or weight here. This button style seems too simple. Want better button styling? Click Button Style to choose and customize different styles. Let's see me play with it. Change the scale. Make the corners rounder, adjust the gaps, and customize colors however you like. This background doesn't really match my report, so let's click Layout. Setting style to none removes the background image. You can try other styles too. What if your menu needs bookmark buttons to jump to other pages, but you need more buttons than your data fields? Go back to Setup. See the plus sign? Click it to create new buttons and name them. Use the minus sign to delete unwanted buttons. I've chosen button style with icons. To change icons, click here. There's a whole library to choose from. Text tiny? Click this zoom button to make it bigger. Let's see which button works. For toggles, same process. Click Flexa icon, drag data in, toggle control, pick a style, scale, then customize text and icons. You can also change text style and font color. Next, you want a slicer? Same thing. Flexa icon, drag data, select range slicer, choose style, customize away. You can also choose where to place the dropdown. Makes your slicer more unique. Finally, background styles. Pick the style you want. Then let's customize it together. And that's Flexa Design. Your reports just got way more interactive and beautiful. Give it a try.